Embrace the future of storage with SHI and PureStorage. You deserve a storage solution that stays modern, flexible, and easy to manage, no matter what the future may hold. SHI can provide crucial support for your Pure Storage initiatives in 4 ways. Discover Pure's evergreen storage solutions and accelerate your core business applications with SHI's expert consultations and executive briefings. And with SHI's free storage assessment, our senior architects take a holistic look at your environment and determine the best Pure solution for your needs. Guarantee fast time to value from your investments by testing your solution before you buy. SHI's Pure Focus Labs and demos ensure your organization has all the tools you need to hit the ground running. Once you've built and tested your solution, our experts can take on the work of installing and deploying your new equipment. With SHI's expert resources and Pure's best-in-class products, it's never been easier to select, manage, and deploy your new storage solutions. Ready to embrace the future of storage? Contact PureStorage at shi.com to get started.